So in the last problem, the denominators were monomials. Now they're binomials. Okay, so you have an x plus 2, an x minus 2. So I'm looking at those denominators that are in the rational expressions within the rational expressions. And then this other denominator factors, because it's a difference of squares. So it factors into x plus 2, x minus 2, this one right here. All right, so what's the LCD? The LCD is x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, now I'm going to recopy the problem. Oh, that's supposed to be an x. Now I'm going to put parentheses around that x minus 2. In fact, I'll put them around the x plus 2 also. I'm going to leave a little space, and then it's going to be 3 over x plus 2, x minus 2. Now what we want to do is we want to multiply by that LCD for each of those parts. And so it's going to be x plus 2 times x minus 2 up here. And then it's going to get an x plus 2 times an x minus 2 there. And then over here it's going to have an x plus 2 and an x minus 2. Now that's the messy part. But then the next part's going to be beautiful, because the x plus 2's are going to cancel there. So in the numerator I have 3 times x minus 2. Maybe I want to multiply that out, maybe I don't. I'll have to wait and see later. And then in the denominator, let's see what happens. Well, the x minus 2's cancel there. So I have 5 times x plus 2. And then on the other part, the x plus 2's cancel and the x minus 2's cancel. So I just have minus 3. Now, you might be thinking something wonderful is going to happen right there. But it's not. So in the numerator, I can leave it 3 times x minus 2. But the denominator, I'm going to have to do something about that. So I'm going to have to distribute and get 5x plus 10 minus 3. And then I'll have to simplify the denominator. So I get 5x plus 7. Now, you know, the goal when we have a rational expression is to simplify it. So we have factors in the numerator. I didn't multiply it out. You might be asking, why didn't you multiply that 3 into the x minus 2? Because I want the factors. Maybe something will cancel. But in the denominator, I have a 5x plus 7. And that's not going to factor, and so I'm done. If you wanted to multiply out the numerator, you could. It wouldn't make a difference. But that's the answer. It doesn't simplify.